Learn which ones are the best ergonomic keyboards for greater comfort and productivity in this list. Check out our selection to reduce strain and improve your typing experience. More details are in the description. 8th place, HP 150 Wired Keyboard, affordable and functional. A fantastic choice for users seeking an affordable yet functional keyboard for daily tasks. Its ergonomic, low-profile design enhances comfort during extended use, and the silent keys ensure a quiet typing experience, making it perfect for shared workspaces. 7th place, HP 230 Wireless Keyboard, stylish and functional wireless freedom. Perfect for users looking to enhance their workspace with a blend of style and functionality. With its low-profile chiclet keys, you'll enjoy a quieter typing experience, ideal for shared spaces or quiet environments. 6th place, Arteck Wireless Stainless Steel Keyboard, sturdy design with long battery life. Ideal for users looking for a reliable and stylish typing option. Its stainless steel construction not only offers durability, but also gives it a premium feel. The low-profile keys enhance comfort, allowing for a smooth typing experience that reduces hand fatigue. 5th place, Logitech K270 Wireless Keyboard, reliable wireless performance. Perfect for those seeking reliability and ease of use in their daily typing tasks. With a full-size layout that includes multimedia keys and a number pad, this keyboard is designed for comfort and efficiency. 4th place, ProtoArc Folding Bluetooth Keyboard, perfect for on-the-go typing. Designed for those who need a portable yet functional typing solution. Its full-size layout, including a numeric keypad, allows you to type comfortably, even on the go. The keyboard folds neatly, making it easy to slip into your bag without adding bulk. 3rd place, Kensington Pro Fit Ergonomic Keyboard, best ergonomic design for comfort. An excellent option for users who prioritize comfort and ergonomic design in their typing experience. With its built-in wrist rest and neutral grip supports, this keyboard positions your wrists in a natural alignment, reducing strain during long typing sessions. 2nd place, Arteck Ergonomic USB Wired Keyboard, comfort meets functionality. Designed for users who seek to enhance their typing comfort and reduce wrist strain. Its split design allows your hands to rest in a more natural position, promoting better posture and reducing fatigue during extended typing sessions. 1st place, Logitech Ergo K860 Wireless Keyboard. Redefine your typing posture. Revolutionizes the way you interact with your computer. Designed to enhance your typing posture, the split keyframe allows for a more natural wrist position, reducing strain and discomfort during long working hours. See you in the next video here on illustraTop. Don't forget to check out the links to all the products in the description.